This is the famous Outback juice. You won't want to drink orange juice any other way. I'm going to start squeezing oranges into a container, guys. The quantity depends on your taste. After squeezing, we're going to take all this juice and we're going to strain it through a sieve. Done. Now we just have to take this and set it aside. Meanwhile, in a blender, we're going to add already frozen strawberries. Just close it and let's let it all blend very well. It'll stay like this now, guys. In a glass, let's start assembling. Let's start by adding a little ice to the bottom. Then we'll add orange juice to half the glass and just finish with the rest of the strawberry pulp. That done, guys. Now just enjoy and look how incredible this juice is. Super fast, easy, and delicious. Make it at your house and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe here from Pobre na Cozinha. That big hug. See you next time and thanks.